Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Linux kernel and C groups are compatible so containers run reliably. Next, install Docker Engine with your distro's package manager. This gives you the Docker, daemon, and CLI. Once installed, enable and start the Docker service so it runs at boot, and add your user to the Docker group to avoid sudo for commands. Doing this prepares the host. Once done, you'll be able to pull images and run containers immediately without permission friction. You pull the exact image tag you need so deployments are predictable, which matters in production. Then run a container with Docker run, mapping ports and volumes to expose services and persist data. D runs detached so the container stays up. Make sure to name containers for easier management. Once running, use Docker PS to check status, Docker logs to view output, and Docker execut to enter a running container when you need to inspect or fix something interactively. You move to Docker Compose when running multiple services so you can declare networks, volumes, and dependencies in one file. Docker Compose up deboots the stack. For maintenance, periodically prune unused images and volumes to recover disk space, but make sure you won't delete needed data. If something breaks, check the Docker daemon with systemctl and view logs with journalctl udocker. Also inspect container logs and network port conflicts. One key tip: if containers won't start, verify image tags and recreate the container after pruning stale images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.